Hey you, the one who dreams of making epic DC2 animations like MHP. If you have ever looked into smooth dynamic runs and wondered how do they do it, you are in the right place, my friend. Because in this video I am going to show you exactly how to animate a running character just like MHP inside Drawing Cartoons 2. Whether you are a total beginner, you have been stuck making chunky walks, this step-by-step guide will surely level up your skills. Before we jump in, here's what you need. DC2 app installed, any character from your pick or use a stickman if you are testing patience and curiosity. You can download the best drawing cartoons from my website, linked in the description. If you don't have a character yet, I've got some free ones linked in the description below, including Oriented Dundun. Before we start, I want to know you guys that I'm providing you the source file of this tutorial. You can grab them by the end of the video. For that, please don't escape. To animate a convincing run, you need to understand one thing. Animation is rhythm, motion with flow. A run cycle typically includes starting pose, ready to run, second, mid-run cycle, alternating legs, 3, and settling or slowing down. Most beginners skip one or two of these and the result looks like teleportation. But if you nail all three, your animation will instantly look more fluid and professional. Phase 1. Starting pose. So let's begin with the start pose. Here's what to do. Make your character stand upright, not completely stiff. Bend the elbows and knees slightly. Bring one leg slightly forward and the other back just a bit. Arms should be in opposite motion, like walking but smaller. This is your ready pose. A signal that the character is about to move. Pro tip. Add a little head tilt or facial expression like a focus or smile. It brings life to the pose. Phase 2. The running motion. Now for the actual run, the heart of your animation. You are probably going to create a cycle of repeating 2 or 3 repeating frames that give the illusion of motion. But for now, we are just learning the basics, so I will teach you the cycles in the next tutorial. You can comment for that. Here's the step-by-step break. Lift the front leg high, bend the knee. It should almost reach hand level. The opposite arm swings back, switch. Bring the front leg down as if it's landing. At the same time, rear leg moves up and arms alternate too. Third, mid-air frame. This is a small trick and a quick, both legs off ground, frame 3. Mid-air frame. This is a small trick and a quick, both legs off ground, frame. It adds bounce and realism. This is the secret of MHP's run style. Fourth, repeat and loop. You only need 3 or 4 frames. If your speed is fast like MHP did, then loop them smoothly. You have to do that manually here. But if you want a tutorial on loop and cycles, just comment below. Remember, every time a leg moves forward, the arms comes back too. That's how real running works. Here's the important notice. This tutorial is for replicating MHP's run style, not mine or DV. Or somewhere else. Someone else. You can see here my animations are slightly better. If you want to learn the secrets, you can ask in the comment section right below. Phase 3. Settling the pose. Here's the secret sauce most people miss. Once your character stops running, don't freeze them. Instead, gradually slow them down. Shorten the stride, lower the body, reduce the arm swing, let the front leg come forward slowly, and then return the character to the original starting stand pose. Why this works? It tricks the viewer's brain into thinking the character has real weight and momentum. Extra tips to make it look like MHP. Wanna make your animations look like MHP or even better? Here are 5 pro tips that can make a huge difference. Number 1. Add a tiny jump. Every few steps, add a micro jump. It gives the run more energy and bounce, like in real life or anime. Like I mentioned, this is the secret of MHP style animation. Second, speed matters. MHP style runs are in the faster, speed and clean. Go into scene settings, set the scene to 80 ready and your speed to very fast. Why fast here? Because MHP is animated on fast speed, but I recommend if you want more better results, you should go with the very fast. You will instantly see a dramatic difference. 3. Camera movement. Use a slightly zoom in or pan during the run. Even a shake effect when the foot lands can make the animation feel alive. That's how Alan Baker does it too. 4th. Facial expressions. Add emotions. Is your character scared, chasing someone, determined? Express that with the eyebrows, eyes, mouth during the run. If it's provided by the developer of the pack, it's better. You can see here on my screen it doesn't have any expression because it is not given by the pack's author. You can create them by yourself. If you want to learn that, comment please. 5th. Polish with tweaks. After animating, take time to review. Tiny changes like adjusting the distance between leg and their level of touching the ground or adding a background element can take your animation from meh to ma. Remember, in the end, I will give you the tutorial source file so that you can practice through it. Bonus: psychology behind smooth motion. This might blow your mind. Smooth animation is not about more frames, it's about well placed frames. In DC2, even with just 11 to 14 frames, you can create amazing animations if you place them right. Watch how the spacing between legs changes. Notice how anticipation and reaction frames gives life. That's what makes MinHP's animations look alive. Want to go even deeper? If you are serious about mastering DC2 animation from character design rigging to story animation, check out our full course. Link in the description. We go from zero to advanced with personal tips, project files, and live feedback. Download source file. Let's download the source file. Go to the description box, click on the link to my website, then scroll down a bit. You will see a button like this. Just click it, then you can simply download it and open it through DC2. Now you just have to go to DC2 and start using it. Alright animator, now know how to animate a running character like MinHP in DC2. Now it's time to put that into action. Comment below what tutorial you want next. Maybe a punch animation, fight scene, flying, or simple walk like MinHP. And if you are still hungry for more, click right here on this video popping up because it's the next step in your DC2 journey. So, see you there, creator.